here's how these little rubber clamps are working for this little collapsible shovel. The only way I could utilize them is by keeping it open, and the only way it actually stays pretty solid is because of this ridge piece here. Keeps it from doing a bunch of twisting around, and it's also thicker. This part might have been a little bit too small for these clamps to work good, but it does work with the setup, and it does wrap around pretty decently tight. What I ended up doing is utilizing the little washer piece that comes with these mounts, and I used a pretty thick screw through that and into this plywood here. So it does work. They're on there really nice and solid, but still have the flex to get whatever you need into there. So yeah, I think these are going to work really good. This is for an overlanding trip I am doing to Idaho, so I think it'll work out all right.